everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. I'm back with the second part of my previous video which was on the healthy benefits of Bengal gram. So if you haven't watched it yet, then just hit the I button which is appearing on the top of your screen and watch it. Thank you. So in the second part, I'll share the nutritional value and curative properties of Bengal gram in detail. Let's start the video with a very powerful saying by Bethany Frankel, an entrepreneur, that your diet is a bank account. Good food choices are good investments. आइए अब सबसे पहले काले चने की न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू को शेयर करते हैं आपके साथ. तो सबसे पहले नंबर 1 इज़ दैट कि Bengal gram is rich in minerals. It has a good amount of iron, sodium, selenium and small amount of copper, zinc and manganese. They are rich source of protein. Number 2 is that it is also a very good source of folic acid which helps in pregnancy, fiber which helps to prevent constipation and contain phytochemicals. So what are the phytochemicals? Phytochemicals are the compounds that are produced by plants. They are found in fruits, vegetables, grains, beans and other plants. And they act as antioxidants. ये एंटीऑक्सीडेंट के तौर पर काम करते हैं और हमारी बॉडी में से फ्री रेडिकल्स को रिलीज़ करवाते हैं. इसके बाद नंबर 3 है कि बेंगाल ग्राम बूस्ट द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज एंड आर देयर फॉर गुड फॉर डायबिटिक पेशेंट. तो ये डायबिटीज़ में हमें बहुत हेल्प करते हैं बाय बूस्टिंग द यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ग्लूकोज इन आवर बॉडी. Then number 4 is they help cure digestive problems like indigestion, diarrhea and vomiting. Number 5 is Bengal gram juice, known for a rich source of iron and that is highly beneficial for the iron deficiency such as called anemia. तो ये anemic patients के लिए भी ये बहुत beneficial है. अब आ जाता है कि हमें किन चीज़ों में केयरफुल रहना है. हमें किसी भी चीज़ की एक्सेस नहीं करनी चाहिए. So the excessive intake of whole Bengal gram powder should be avoided as it causes indigestion. इसके अलावा ये हमारी बॉडी में ऑक्सालिक एसिड की कंसंट्रेशन को हाई कर देता है which results in urinary stones of calculi. Now let's move to natural benefits and curative properties of Bengal gram यानी कि काले चने. So as Bengal gram has many medicinal properties and they supply plenty of B complex and vitamins. And cooked kala chana is a wholesome food for children, usually in the form of snacks. तो अब हम उन हेल्थ इश्यूज़ को डिस्कस कर लेते हैं जिसमें काला चना जो है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. तो सबसे पहले हम जिस हेल्थ इश्यू को डिस्कस करने लगे हैं वो है डायबिटीज़. Experiments have shown that the extract of kala chana enhances the utilization of glucose in both diabetic and normal person. तो काला चने की इम्पोर्टेंस पर एक टेस्ट कंडक्ट करवाया था सेंट्रल फूड टेक्नोलॉजिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट ने और वो टेस्ट हुआ था क्रॉनिक डायबिटिक पेशेंट्स पे. और वो पेशेंट जो हैं वो इंसुलिन डिपेंडेंट थे और उनकी इंसुलिन रिक्वायरमेंट was 40 units per day. But when they kept on diet including supplements of Bengal gram extract, the condition of the patient improved and their insulin requirement reduced to 20 units per day. हमारे पास जो नेक्स्ट हेल्थ इशू है वो है एनीमिया. कि कैसे बंगाल ग्राम के लीव्स जो हैं वो हमें एनीमिया प्रिवेंट करने में हेल्प करते हैं. So fresh juice of Bengal gram leaves is a very rich source of iron. What you all have to do is to take 1 tablespoon of fresh juice with honey. It should be taken in this condition. It will help. Third health issue is digestive system disorder. As kala chana is rich in essential vitamins, fiber and helps in improving digestion. It has a high content of protein and offers a variety of health benefits. But not to take in excess as it causes indigestion. The extract water of Bengal gram used by the women for years to heal their multiple issues. It is also used by women like in pregnancy or in menstruation. And the last but not the least health issue is skin. That how kala chana helps or clear our skin. So the flour of Bengal gram, which is called besan, is very effective cleansing agent as well as it bleaches your skin naturally. People who have certain allergies should wash their face with this flour as it's highly beneficial. It is beneficially used for the treatment of pimples. Now how to use it? The flour should be mixed with yogurt to make a paste, and then this paste should be applied to the face and washed off after some time. So this was today's video, and thanks for watching. In the next video, I will share the benefits of using a mask or covering the face while cooking at the grocery store, and a few foods that are more beneficial, especially in the COVID-19, to enhance your immune system. I'm grateful that you are subscribing, liking and viewing the videos. Stay blessed and please have a very good time. Allah Hafiz.